Hey everyone, my name is Thomas Gries. I'm the owner and co-founder of Chaseki Tea, and we're located in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today's video is about Hojicha. And Hojicha is a very special tea because it's been roasted, and there are many different varieties of Hojicha out there. The most common version is tea stems. I can show you how that looks like. Hope this is in focus. So these are the stems of the tea, and they get roasted, but there are other options, premium ones that actually use real tea, and they roast tea. So it's a very delicious and very delicate tea, and it has a very nice aroma. When you smell it, you definitely have that charcoal roasting aromas in the tea. And also caramel-like, vanilla flavors. It's very nice. I prepared something here. I already got the kyusu. I got the water already cooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm adding 5 grams of the Hojicha into the kyusu, just like that. And then I'm adding 200 ml of water. And I'm steeping this at a temperature of between 100 and 90 degrees. Everything is okay. And you steep it for 1 minute. So I don't have a timer right now. Let's see, about 1 minute from now. First time that I was introduced to Hojicha was on a trip to Japan. And I immediately fell in love with this tea because you can drink it all day long. One of the benefits of the tea is basically through the roasting process it loses most of its caffeine. That's why elderly and children can drink Hojicha without any problems throughout the entire day. And you can make sure that you stay hydrated and you still get some flavor. There are many different options for the Hojicha. One of the options that I personally like to do is I add dried ginger to the tea, and that gives the Hojicha a little bit more spiciness, a little bit more flavor, and it's very nice to drink, especially iced on a hot day. And as you might know, we have a lot of hot days here in Thailand. So I already prepared the kyusu and the yunomi, and now I'm pouring the tea into the yunomi. As you know, in Japan they don't have the sharing cup or the community cup. That's why you pour from one cup into another. This way you make sure that everybody gets the same equal flavor in the tea. And this should do it. All right. Hojicha can be brewed up to 3 times. The first infusion, as I mentioned before, you take 5 grams of the Hojicha. You add 200 ml of boiling water between 90 and 100 degrees Celsius, and you steep it for 1 minute. The second infusion would be again 200 milliliters, also boiling water, and you only steep it for about 20 to 30 seconds. That's all you would need for the second infusion because the tea leaf is already wet. And now it looks like this. And I leave the kyusu a little bit open so the heat can dissolve. And now let's give it a try. The smell is incredible. Roasted charcoal. It smells like warm summer nights. It's very nice. Very smooth, no bitterness, natural sweetness to the tea from the tea leaf. This is a premium Hojicha from our main supplier Shogyoken in Kyoto Nabe. Shogyoken is one of the oldest tea factories in Japan, and they used to supply the emperor family and the samurai elite. They are award-winning tea producers, and the owner Kobayashi-san is one of only 13 people in Japan with the highest grade in matcha blending or tea blending, and the only one in the Kyoto prefecture And maybe you know that Uji and Wazuka is in the Kyoto prefecture, and both towns or both areas are world famous for their green tea. Not only green tea, but also the sencha. The gyokuro that is produced there is outstandingly good, and of course the matcha and all the other products such as black tea and hojicha. So this is something I can highly recommend you. Yeah, very, very nice. You can drink hojicha neither hot brewed as we did it now, or another option is the cold brew. Maybe you can check the previous video that I did here, or maybe it's here, and I explained how to cold brew. Basically, you can use any kind of tea to cold brew at home. It's very, very nice, especially on hot days when you don't want to drink something hot. Cold brewing is super easy, and hojicha is perfect for cold brew. So if you want to try this out, check out the video, neither here or here. I will link it. And yeah, if you would like to purchase some of this incredible tea, I can put a link into the description box. It will be the link to our Facebook page and to our website. So, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact us directly, leave a comment, or send us an email. We'll be happy to help. If you like this video, please give it a like and follow us, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you get an information every time that we upload a new video. Right now we do that on a daily basis, and we also have our ongoing video series, which is every Sunday. All you need to know about matcha, very, very interesting with all the side facts and infos you need about matcha. And please also follow us on our social media channels such as Facebook and Instagram. You will find us on both at chaseki.tea, so that's facebook.com/chaseki.tea, and Instagram is at chaseki.tea. And I also link our website and our Facebook page in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in one of my next videos. And always drink the good stuff. I gotta go now. See you soon. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Bye bye.